Hi everyone, so in today's video it's going to be a Valentine's Day tutorial. I know my last video was a Valentine's Day tutorial. I'll try to link the video somewhere up here, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll link it up there. But this Valentine's Day tutorial is a little bit more wearable, a little bit more simple. I know the last one was a cut crease, which I know is not wearable for a lot of people, so I wanted to make this one a little bit more wearable for those of you who are not comfortable with wearing extravagant makeup like that. So I did a more simple eye look, and I did like a heart, like the wing going through the heart kind of thing, and then just the pink lips. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Please don't forget to leave me your suggestions on what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you want to see another Valentine's Day tutorial or any kind of video you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. But without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my foundation. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundations in Amber, Beige, and Cocoa. And I'm just going to take that on my Real Techniques Blend and Blur foundation brush. For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. And I'm just going to blend it out using my Real Techniques sponge. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Stick in Where's Walnut. Alright, to set my whole face, I'm going to use the Studio Makeup HD Finishing Powder and the Big Powder Brush. Alright, to contour my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee and my e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani Powder Blush in Coral Cove and my Real Techniques Blush Brush. For my brows, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow gel and just pass it through my brows. To prime my eyes, I'm going to just use that same e.l.f. concealer in Tan Sand, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply it. Now, since I want the focus mainly to be on the wing portion of the eye look, I'm going to just do very simple eyeshadow. So I'm going to just take the Jeffree Star Sheen Dawson Mini Controversy palette, and I'm going to take this shade Diet Root Beer, and I'm just going to put that all over the crease. Like I said, this is the only shade I'm going to take on the eyelid just because I want the focus to mainly be on the wing. But you could take any shade you want. I'm using a brown as a transition shade, because I was also thinking of taking like a pink on the lid, but I want to make it more natural looking, so I think this brown shade will do. Oh, by the way, I'm taking this on the Royal Megaglo Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush. I don't think I mentioned that. I'm going to take the Lexi 213T brush, and I'm just going to use that same color Diet Root Beer and just pass it underneath the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black and just draw out a wing. Okay, now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Question Mark and my Real Techniques Silicone Liner Brush, and I'm going to just start drawing out the heart. Alright guys, so I already did the same thing to the other side. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to use the NYX On The Rise Volume Liftscara. Okay, once I have done that, to finish on my face, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost in Frozen Peach. Okay, to add this to the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to use the Crown Pro C513 brush, and I'm going to also add a little bit underneath my brow bone. And lastly, for my lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Thursday. To set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you did. Turn on your post notifications, that way you get a notification every time that I post. And let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Twitter and Instagram. I post pictures on Instagram every time I do a video, and I'm usually very active on Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.